Hi, welcome back to Rank Ninja. This is Kaisar back with another new video. Today's video is going to be a different video. Today I am going to review a website for auto repair business, and this video is very helpful for those people who are running auto repair shop business without a website, or who are planning to start a auto repair shop business, also who are running their business with a bad website. Today I'll introduce you with a good website for auto repair shop business. Let's first see the feature of a good website. Easy to find information, responsive design, and fast loading. A customer visit your website for information, so you have to provide accurate information in the right place so that the customer find the necessary information very easily, because time is valuable. So this is a demo website I have created to show you the feature of a good website. Anyway, if you want to create a website for your business, then you can contact with me. You will find my contact details in the video description below. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, which inspire me a lot to create new video for you. So what happened for auto repair shop business? A customer first search in Google, like using a keyword that is auto repair shop near me, or expert auto repair mechanics near me, or something like this. Then if your website is SEO optimized, then it will be showed in the first page of Google. Then the customer will click and come to your website for information. Customer actually look for what service you are providing, like this, and what is your business hour, and what is your contact number, what is your contact address. Another thing, they search for your company portfolio or company experience. You can show it here, and three positive things about your company, and which brand you are working with, and the service you are providing. And finally, they search for customer testimonials. If this information satisfies them, then they will call you or visit your website and purchase a service from you. And this is the characteristics of a good website. As most of the people are browsing website using mobile, so you have to ensure that your website is mobile responsive. This website is mobile responsive. Let's see how it look in mobile devices. Look, this website will look like this in mobile devices. Here the visitor will also find the necessary information very easily. Also, the website is performance optimized. It suggests that this website loads faster. So I think you have get an idea that how important a website is for your business and how it helps for you. Also, you can provide a highlighted text here or announcement for your customer, and there is a contact page for your visitor also. So if you want a website like this, or you want to create more beautiful website like this, then you can contact with me. Also, this website is customizable and easy to manage. You will find my contact details just below in the video description. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Also, you can share comments in the video in which topic you want to like video, watch video in my channel. Thank you.